Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. Today I'm going to take a look at these groove joint pliers I got, 6-inch. Got them at Menards. I was looking at the small channel locks that everybody likes in the EDC world so much, and I think a pair of channel locks at Menards was going for like $37, and I just couldn't see paying $37 for something like that, so I just looked around a little bit and I ran across these in the middle aisle in one of the displays for $1.50. So I thought I'd try them. So I grabbed a couple pair of them. Figured for $1.50 they should do the job of whatever you need them for doing, you know, everyday task or whatever for EDCing. So let's see what they were like. Let's open them up. Got my 704 gear Urban Ranger. Here's a look at the packaging. They don't feel too bad. They feel just a little bit cheap, maybe. They're a little bit of side-to-side movement in them. Might be able to. They're a little bit loose that way, but I guess for $1.50. Opens up to that big. Goes them down to the small size. Not bad. For $1.50, can't go wrong. Got them from Menards. Thanks for watching.